when we think about design practice, design seeks to understand and respond to a certain challenge or opportunities and in a given context, right? And the response can result in a physical, digital objects, a space, process, a policy. And in the context of LABIC Barreiro Velho, for example, we want to create a shared vision of a better future for an abandoned historic center in the process of speculation. So this is a complex territory with complex problems that will not be solved without the involvement of all stakeholders. So creating a better future for Barreiro Velho requires a co-design process. So it requires that different actors be involved in the process of designing this vision to understand what actions we will have to take in the present to design this future. So people don't necessarily need to pick up a pencil and draw for them. So it's also possible using the right tool, but the most important in a process of co-design, it's that the final design have to represent the whole. So this collective intelligence. What's the challenge? It's LABIC. The biggest challenge that we have is how to mobilize for co-design. First of all, the citizens, especially those who are concerned about basic needs. It's very difficult to explain how to or why to co-design, and secondly, the institutions are very difficult to mobilize too, because they already have their own agendas. They already have their own challenge. So usually they are not very connected each other, especially if they are from different areas. So this is a big challenge for us. And the next question is how to do it, right? We don't have a closed answers because each territory is different and has its own challenge. But in such a complex territory, it is important to test different approaches, different spaces where co-design can happen, different tools, experiment and learn from mistakes, because they are also part of the process of co-design. So in our case, co-design has to be a continuous process because the city is not made in one day, right? And the creation of these citizen laboratories should remain in the territories to promote a continuous co-creation in the co-creation process in our cities. And here the role of mediators are fundamental to facilitate this process of collective construction.